In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your Ticketmaster tickets on Ticketswap. If you have a ticket you can no longer use, Ticketswap offers a simple way to list it for sale in a secure and organized format. The process is straightforward, but it helps to have everything ready before you begin, so the listing goes smoothly and buyers can view accurate ticket information right away. To get started, make sure you have your original Ticketmaster ticket available. This will usually be either the PDF version of the ticket or a secure ticket link, depending on how the ticket was delivered to you. It's important that you use the original ticket format provided, because that helps ensure the upload works correctly and the ticket details can be verified properly during the listing process. Before moving on, double check that the ticket file or link is accessible and up to date. Once you have that ready, go to Ticketswap.com and click the sell option. This will take you into the ticket listing flow, where you'll be guided through each part of the setup. If prompted, sign in and follow the instructions on screen to begin creating your listing. Take your time here, especially if this is your first time using the platform, because the site is designed to walk you through the process clearly. Next, import your ticket into Ticketswap. This is where you'll upload the PDF or provide the secure ticket link so the platform can read the event details. After the ticket is imported, select the specific seat or seats you want to sell. If your order includes multiple tickets, make sure you choose the correct ones for this listing. Then assign your price. When setting the price, be careful to enter the amount you want accurately and consider checking that all event and seat details shown on screen match your ticket before continuing. After that, submit the listing. Once it's live, your ticket will be available for buyers on the platform. If the ticket sells, the payment process is handled through Ticketswap, and the funds are transferred directly to your bank account after the sale is completed. That final step makes the process convenient, since you won't need to arrange payment manually with a buyer. And that's it. As long as you have the original Ticketmaster ticket ready, upload the correct ticket details, and review the listing before submitting, selling through Ticketswap can be a quick and